Hello friends, let us talk today widening operation, how it will work. So let me uncomment these methods. So basically we have defined multiple overloaded methods with byte, short, int, long, byte wrapper, byte varargs, object. Now in main class we are calling we are calling m with the byte value. So when we run this one, what will be the output? So we have object also matching, we have byte varargs also matching, we have byte wrapper class also is matching. So and byte can also hold by short, int and long and float and double, right? So what will be the output? Let us see what will be the output when we run this program, and let us run. So we are getting byte version because we have find the exact match. Even though we have multiple overloaded methods, we have find exact match of the byte byte variable where byte argument. Now let us comment this one and see what will happen. So now when I run the same program without the byte variable method, so then what will happen? See, so now it is taking the short because short can hold the byte value. Now now let us run with the without the short method also. Now let us run, see the output. It is printing int version. Why? Because int is also can hold the integer, can also hold the byte. So but all long can also hold byte. That's why it is not printing, because next higher value for the byte which is matching is long, so it is matching with the int value. Now let us run without the int also. Let's see the output. Now we are getting long version because next matching version is long version. So for byte even though we have byte wrapper, it is not taking that one because it is first checking for the wrap primitive types. Now let us see, we have byte varargs and byte wrapper and object. Let's see what will happen. So now when we run this one, so we get byte wrapper version because before the varargs it will try to do auto boxing and convert to byte wrapper, so it is matching here, so we are getting byte wrapper. Now let us comment this one also and see what will be the output next. Like we have object and varargs. Let us see. So now we are passing one byte arguments, and then so when we pass this one, what will be the output? Let us see. So we are getting object version because object object is matching because byte array can take 0 or more arguments. So if there is any chance of like passing 0 or more arguments, then it will be called, because least preference is going to varargs. So now let's say if you pass 0 arguments, meaning that it is matching with the varargs because it can have 0 or more arguments. So now when we run this one, we'll get the output of Varargs version. So we can try with the another 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 argument of byte. So let's see what will be the output. So now if you see, we are getting Varargs because Vararg version is matching with this data that we are passing, so it can hold 0 or more arguments. But when we pass one arguments, it will prefer the object type. So that is a thing we have to remember. So let us see now what is the order. Like, so order of widening is byte, short, int, long and float. So these are the widening hierarchies. Why it is taking to the next higher variable? Because it will avoid the data loss. If we pass any byte data which is smaller than short, it can hold it, so there won't be any problem even if we pass the byte to short. Same thing for the short, even if we pass a short to int also there is no data loss. So that's the reason Java's prefer widening properties. And now we have seen wrapper, Varargs and object, right? So what is the order of that execution? Let us see. So first, whenever there are overloaded methods, first it tries to find the exact match. There is an exact match. Then try to do the widening operation. Widening for the primitives only. So we have to remember this, very important. Widening should happen. Widening will happen only for the primitive types, not the wrapper types. Then after widening operation completed, if nothing is matched, then it will try to do auto boxing to any of its wrapper classes, and then last will come the Varargs. So this is the hierarchy we have to remember. So if we have any object type, we can also have the object type. Like if it is not matching with any of this auto boxing and all, so we can have object. Yeah, this is the order we have to remember. This will be very important for any interview.